The sixth video in the series from the All-British Day of the 27th of April in Newcastle is an interview with the owner of a Jaguar XK 4.2 x150 series. The X150 series was the second variant of the V8 2+2 GT from Jaguar, and this followed after the X100 series of the XK8 and the XKR. The X150 series dropped the 8 from the name and was simply known as XK and XKR. The aluminium-bodied XK150 series was produced first with a 4.2 litre engine from 2006 to 2009, when the 5 litre V8 replaced the 4.2. Trevor's only owned this immaculate car for just over a month and is obviously as proud as any owner could be.
Trevor, I've got to ask, how come you got in with the Newcastle club when we were over in the boondocks?
Well, when we came in, they said, come around where the trees are, and I couldn't see anything. So I was looking for Jaguars, and I spotted these, and I came around, and then I came up, and I just parked here.
Yeah.
So I figured this must be where we are, because there's trees and such, and there's heaps of Jags.
So they made you join the club?
Absolutely. I joined the Newcastle club today. We spend a lot of time with them.
Yeah.
And they're just like the Sydney club. They're just absolutely fantastic.
They're really nice people.
Yeah.
We met them last year at their 40th anniversary at the same venue.
Yes.
So it was really good. So tell me about the car. You were saying you've only had it for a month or so?
Yeah, that's right. I sold my XK8 and I wanted to look around for an XK, and I didn't want one that was supercharged. And I said to my wife, I had a pretty strict criteria. I wanted something that's in good condition. And because I said that I'm in no rush, this came available straight away.
Right.
And bingo, here it is.
That's fantastic. You've changed the exhaust?
No, they were on it actually. The guy that owned it before it did that.
What, straight pipes through it?
Oh, I
Take
don't
the
know.
back box out or what?
I don't know what he did.
Yeah.
It has a nice note about it and stuff like that. It's a bit throaty, but it's in immaculate condition, and that's why we bought it.
Right.
It's just got 100,000 Ks on it.
That's not bad.
No,
That's
no.
not bad. If you want to improve your exhaust, it may have been done, but if you take the 9 fuse out of the middle, it opens up the second pipes if you've got them,
Oh, okay.
so that you're using the 4 pipes all the time.
Wow. Well,
Yeah.
well, I don't know what's underneath it. I haven't
That
had a look.
certainly will, if it is being converted to 4 pipes,
Yeah.
it'll give you much more throaty. If
Oh,
you want
okay.
that throaty sound. The neighbours may not like it.
No, well, Jaguar drivers are normally fairly conservative. This is the loudest Jaguar I've ever owned.
I just love mine. You've got the perfect number plates.
Yeah, XK 4.2.
Yeah, all the
no,
best,
it's
yeah.
beautiful. And didn't we have a fantastic run up
It
from
was
Sydney
a good run.
today?
Yeah, so I finally caught up to you. I wanted to get in behind you because we were filming going
Yes.
past the other cars.
Oh, okay.
That sort of, well, it was appropriate to have the 2 XKs running together.
Yeah, well, I set the speed about 5-6 Ks under the limit.
It was perfect idea.
Yeah,
because it meant that everybody could stay together, and good for me because I was stuck at the back. After Anthony jumped in the car, everyone was gone, and I came up to the corner and the lights were red because
okay.
everyone had gone. It was good for me to catch up.
No, it was brilliant. And I was surprised at how well we actually stayed together.
Yeah, it was
all the
nice.
way.
Saying to Anthony, I don't remember the tram lines last time we came.
Oh, they were a nightmare. Could you imagine that on anything with small wheels?
Yes. Well, not only that, what about when the trams are running?
Well, absolutely.
Yeah.
Ah.
Anyway, I won't
All right.
hold you any longer.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Trevor.
Thanks, Bruce.
See you.
Bye.